everybody, this is Lena. One more week of my VR fitness challenge is already over. This week was very hard for me as my workouts were very intense, but it was very productive. I exercised really hard with Beat Saber and Box VR, and I also tested VRWorkout fitness game. So today I will share my thoughts on it. So keep watching to see more. I made a fun experiment and played Beat Saber in a semi-squatted posture, so even now I feel soreness in my legs and I feel like I kinda overexerted myself. If you want a really intense leg workout, try to play Beat Saber in a semi-squat, so you will hit all the muscles in your legs. To intensify my leg workout in Beat Saber, I go to the game settings and adjust for player height. I turn off the automatic player height and set a lower height than I actually have, so that beats and the walls would fly on the lower level. The lower player height you set, the deeper squats you will have to perform. While my real height is 1.7 meters, I set 0.9 meters, and it makes a big difference in my workout intensity.
Step to the left. Everyone step to the right. Now to the left. Now to the right. Now to the left. Everyone step to the left. Everyone step to the right. Everyone step to the left. Now to the left. Left. Now to the right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. 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 Right. Right. Left. Right.
To have a really intense VR workout, I also play box. I use short box VR workouts for high-intensity interval training. Surprisingly, shorter 7 and 10-minute box VR classes are often more intense than long ones that last 30 minutes or an hour. Short box VR workouts have a faster music tempo and they are literally stuffed with punches, dodges and squats. My favorites are 7-minute short workouts, My Time and Punch and Slide. And as I promised you, today I will show you how I play VRWorkout. Every time before exercising in VRWorkout, I do a good warm-up. VR fitness is a real workout. If you do not cheat on exercising, it can be as intense as a gym workout. So it is very important to warm up and stretch your muscles well to avoid traumas. VRWorkout is a hand-tracking fitness game, and that opens tons of possibilities in VR fitness. Hand tracking allows you to exercise more effectively, perform exercises that you couldn't do with controllers, like push-ups. So playing without the controllers is very similar to exercising in the gym. Along with that, for me it was a little bit difficult to set up the hand tracking in the game the first time I played. The tracking works a bit better when you use open palms instead of fists. Anyway, for some reason I didn't get my points every time I hit the cues. The game is good either for a beginner or for an athletic person, as you can choose between easy, medium or hard levels of difficulty. I had 2 workouts on easy level and 2 workouts on medium. I also like that you can combine the exercises, making your own program for the necessary muscle groups. Unlike other fitness games that usually involve only upper body exercising, VRWorkout does involve all muscle groups. You will run, jump, do crunches, squats, push-ups, burpees, and many other amazing exercises. VRWorkout is based on circle training. It means that all body parts are engaged, but you don't feel exhausted because you constantly change your position. The game is motivating because every time you hit the cues, run faster, or jump higher, you get extra points, and it motivates you to work out more intensely. One more thing I would also like to be improved is settings memory. I wish the settings I chose wouldn't reset after I finish the level. For now, you should set the settings every time you start a new workout. Here are all the pros of the VRWorkout game and all the features that I believe need improvement. In general, I think this game has a bright future, as it really turns your room into a gym. If the game is improved, I think it's gonna be one of the top VR fitness games. Let's see how my weight has changed since the last week. Last week I had 65.1 kilograms or 143 pounds. Let's see how much we have now. Oh, okay, now I have 64.4 kilograms, which means over a week I have lost less than a kilogram, around 2 pounds. As you see, my weight loss has slowed down, but anyway, my goal to lose 2 kilograms is already achieved in just 2 weeks of my VR challenge, and I will try to keep the tempo over the next 2 weeks to see how much I can lose during 4 weeks of my VR challenge. There is one important thing that I have learned during this week. Do not afraid of experiments in VR. Toggling player height in Beat Saber, trying a new VR game, all these made my VR sessions very intense, very exciting, very effective. So get out of your comfort zone, play new games, try new levels, be creative in your VR journey. VR fitness allows endless possibilities, so use all of them to improve yourself. Oh, and haven't you joined my VR fitness challenge yet? It's time to do it, it's gonna be really fun. That's all I have for today. Take care, play VR, and see you soon in my next videos.